Hello, and welcome to James List's Express Lane. Getting you now as fast as possible, showing you how to split video. You want to split here? Alright. Press S. Done. Now, of course, you're probably doing that because, you want to put something in there. Let's put in this picture. Now, let's put in this picture. This picture's funnier. Hey, look at that. Oh, turn it on. That's really loud. Goes from that. Yay, the picture. Ta-da. That is really... They made Vegas Pro 14 idiot-proof. Now, something else. Let's say you want to... Someone says something like, wait, what? You want to stop it and pause it? So right there. Hit the S to split. And then go back one frame. And then you press on this. We'll do image 1. What the hell? So now the video will look paused right where it was. As you put in, say, did he just say what I think he said? Let's make it like that. It doesn't need to be fancy, doesn't it? Anyways. So then you could, hold on. Let's move you out of the way. Let's copy you. Dun-dun. Hey. Paste. So you could have whatever. And then I beat that, just ask, wait, did he just think what I think he said? Did he just meet beating his wife? And then, play back the video clip of him saying that he beat his wife. It's just that simple. Again, Vegas Pro 14 makes this so easy. And as always, like, subscribe, comment down below, and have a wonderful day.